What's up, guys? It's your girl Mac Cox with Maccouture Crafting. We are doing another Notions for Notions video. Me talking about another one of the notions that you absolutely have to have. This one. This is a basic. This is one you have to have. This is not a splurge. This is a get one. If you want to get the brand name ones, that's where the splurge comes in. Because honestly, I thought I had the brand name ones. I can't find Tula's name anywhere on these, but they look like Tula's because they've got that that oil slick kind of ombre color, yada yada yada. But you must have these curved snips, these right here. Gotta have these, guys. I need 10 or 13 pair. Now I have 2 pair right now, maybe 3. I think I have 2 pair. I'm gonna buy 2 more. They are the best. They can get so close. I pull them up with another one of the notions I'm going to talk about very soon. I pull them up with tweezers and then I clip it, and I don't know why. I just don't know. It's that serious, guys. I know I sound crazy talking about snips. I know that scissors are important. Scissors are so important. I'm going to talk about my favorite pair of scissors that I use the most often for my fabric. But these are probably the next ones to get those threads, to get anything loose. I'm telling you guys, these will change your life. I know it doesn't make sense, but just trust me. When you start using these, and they've got that spring action. These are not the ones that I'm talking about, but they have the spring action, so you don't actually have to put your hands inside. They just have a spring action. These are my favorite craft scissors, by the way. Fiskars makes those. But that little spring curved tiny scissor is a necessity, you guys. I kid you not. I think you guys should have a pair. You don't necessarily have to purchase the ones with a name on them. The ones from Amazon work great. The ones from your local quilt store without the brand names on them will work fine too. I have a few different pair. I have 2, maybe 3 different pair, and none of them are brand name, but they work great. They will change your life. This is a need. This is a basic. You guys should have these. Just trust me. All right, another Notions for Notions down. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.